Alright, y'all, so it is Friday, and we're not working today. I spent today messing with Rowdy.
We are loafing, checking out the wife's anniversary present.
Now this is the wife's anniversary present.
And Christmas and birthday.
And Christmas and birthday. Brand new G3 Sportsman 17. So we're fixing to put this thing on the water and see how it does. And see if we can't find a speckled perch or two while the Bassmaster crappie tournament is going on. So you got to
help them.
We're going to help them find them, and we're going to find out if everybody's wanting to be honest. You know, if anybody's trying to buy specs for a lot of money, we're going to make sure that everybody's playing by the rules. And we're going to check out Rowdy and Miss Leanna's new toy. So stay tuned. We'll show you some of the features and what we like, if there's anything that we don't like. And there comes the mail lady with a package for me, a tackle warehouse package that I am waiting on. Thank you, ma'am. Oh no, this is not tackle warehouse. Check this out.
Fredericks of Hollywood.
Hold that for me, please. Look at this. This is gonna be cool.
Is this your Fredericks of Hollywood? All right, there comes little one. Hey.
Hello.
There's Miss Trish with the baby, and she is wide open. What do we have here, sir?
All right, we had a little problem with the Mercury 150 that the bendix or appendix or whatever that thing is people call on top of the starter, the gear was sticking. So hopefully when I pull this out, it's gonna have 8 teeth and it's gonna look like the one that's on there so that we can fix it.
The one with 6 teeth now?
No, it's got 8 still, but they're getting kind of skinny. You know, all them folks put that gold and chrome on their teeth. My boat starter needs some of them.
Are you saying your boat is
I want y'all to look at what they sent me.
Are you saying your boat is black and don't work?
Does this look like a starter gear to you?
Well,
I mean, what the heck?
It's a nice one, whatever it is.
Oh my goodness.
Did you order that from Japan or
No,
Taiwan?
It came from like New Hampshire or something.
Yeah, well, they'll do that up there too.
I ordered a starter gear and I got a light socket or something. And because my order didn't meet their $25, I had to buy something else. So I bought a first aid kit to go in the boat.
Well, maybe we won't need that.
Maybe. That's ridiculous. Alright, y'all. So we already got this thing fixed up with the anchor mates unit on the front, down view, Garmin, 7-inch. Minco trolling motor. Got the Lowrance electronics at the steering wheel. It's got this cool steering wheel. It matches the cool rims. That's some cool stuff. Got the Yamaha 90 anchor made on the back too. So hang tight. We'll be back with you once we get to the lake. Alright, y'all, so we have been out here in the G3 and we have found some speckled perch, and it has been a good afternoon. The G3 has passed the test. The Minco trolling motor's great. The Garmin unit on the front did wonderful. And now I'm about to show you what the fishing poles did. I hope I don't drop my phone in that box. And that right there, that is what you're looking for when you go speckled perch fishing. See that? Oh, there's one in there. There was 2 in there. Oh, there may be 3. There may be 4.
This is the wife's anniversary present, Christmas, and the next 2 birthdays. She's going to be so proud when she gets home and sees it.
So, Rowdy's wife does not know about this purchase yet, but if y'all don't see any more videos with me and Rowdy in it, you'll know that neither one of us made it out alive. thank you for watching this today, and we've enjoyed the G3, and I think Rowdy's got him a nice ride from now on. And make sure you like and subscribe and hit that little bell. Be notified of all of our new videos. Thank you, and we'll see you next time.